Hey traders, a quick and early update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? As you can see, the price has bounced up from the zone I've mentioned in my last video, and I've already sent these zones to the members. But as you can see, I did not see any sort of reason to enter. I got messages from traders that they have entered the buy trade once the price hit the zone and price is now pushed up. But I don't trade like that. As long as I see a reason to enter, only then I enter my trade. But the price respected this zone we have mentioned. So price is pushing up now from this area of value and now hit 50 EMA. Now if you look here on Ovanda, price has broken above 50 EMA and we only had one candle. So if you know me, I want to see good to green candle must close above 50 EMA. So for now, I want to give you a heads up here. If this current candle closes as a bearish engulfer, in that case, we will have a very good sell signal. So bearish engulfer will be a sell signal and price will likely push down back to this previous low again, and from where we can get a possible double bottom confirmation. So for now, again, if this candle closes as a bearish engulfer, we have a very good sell signal and I will go short using 180 of the target. ADR is 4.6 at this point, so that will be my target if we get conditions to enter buy trade. So if we have a break above 50 EMA with good two green candles, in that case I'll start to look for my buying opportunity. Price is still trading above 50 EMA on daily time frame. If you see, it's still above 50 EMA. That is why if we get a condition on 4-hour time frame, I will not manage it. I will just quickly take my profits once it hit 180 targets. If you do not have a signal to enter sell trade on 4-hour time frame, remember that we are still above 50 EMA on daily time frame. In the long term, we can still get a push up and hit of the zone above I've mentioned in my last few videos, which is 3.015 goes up to 3.169, from where we're going to enter our sell trade. This is the zone I've already sent to my priority members. You should have these zones on the charts ready for your possible trades. So be very careful here. Price is now at 50 EMA. Bearish engulfer will be your sell signal. Target so will be 180, and then price can likely push up again. So buy only if we have a complete break above 50 EMA with two good green candles. Pull back and we'll keep on taking long. So in a long term, it still looks bullish to me as long as price is trading above 50 EMA on daily time frame. Right here on Ovanda, exactly the same. If this candle closes as a bearish engulfer, in that case we have a very good sell signal and I will go short. If not, then we have a likely chance price will push up and continue to push up in a trend. If you look at a good formation of bullish engulfer happening above 50 EMA in the long term, I'm expecting a price to push up, break above this previous high and hit the zone above which I've mentioned, which is 2.885, goes up to 3.005. Next one we have gold. So gold has respected the zone above I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. As you can see, we had a little double top formation and price is now pushing back down. Once we have a close of this candle below 50 EMA, in that case I'm expecting a further push down and price can likely push down to the zone below, which is 1873.11, goes up to 1891.35, from where we're going to enter our buy trades only. So for now, I'm still not bullish for gold. I'm still bearish for gold and it can still push down. Buy trades only above this previous high and above this little anchor price has formed. Right, exactly the same on silver. Silver is pushing down and getting back to the zone below which I've mentioned, and again we have a zone below from where I want to enter my buy trades. The zone below is this whole green zone is 22.02, goes up to 22.45, from where we can get a possible bounce again if the price hit the zone, one of the conditions like bullish engulfer. So keep an eye here. Once we have a good fall, we are good to go long. If the price hit the zone here in yellow, then in that case we will have a good formation of double bottom pattern. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long. For now, we are just bearish for silver as well. The next one we have crude oil. As you can see, I've mentioned that the price is now in the area, minor area, and we can get possible pullback here. And as you can see, we had a pullback. So at this point, if this next candle right here closes as a bullish engulfer, we have a valid buy signal and price can likely push up again. If we have no signal here, we can still get a formation of possible double top pattern, and if we have that formation, I look for bearish engulfers or pin bar. In that case, I will still go short. So wait for the condition. Whatever signal you get, if you get a bullish signal, we are good to go long. If the price won't make any bullish signal and just form a double top confirmation, in that case, I will go short for crude oil. So that's it for commodity, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.